Dr. Seuss. Maybe you should fly a jet. Maybe you should be a vet. Illustrated by Kelly Kennedy. Want to be a ticket taker? Want to be a pizza maker? General? Jockey? Basketball player? Ballet dancer? Dragon slayer? Do you want to be an astronaut or keeper of the zoo? You've got to do something. What do you want to do? Tailor, sailor, nailer, jailer. You've got to be someone sooner or later. How about a wrestler, a welder, or a waiter? How about a dentist? How about a florist? How about a forester working in a forest? Do you wish to be an oil refiner, diamond miner, dress designer? How about a paper hanger? How about a bass drum banger? Do you want to do your work outdoors? Do you want to work inside? Would you like to be a plumber, a stargazer, a mountain guide? Would you rather work in a mountain town or in the desert lower down? Hat shop owner, money loaner. How about a slide tromboner? How about a perfume smeller? How about a fortune teller? You could be a turkey farmer. You could be a teacher. You could be a lot of things. How about a preacher? You could be a clown or a coffee perker. How about an iron worker? Firefighter, crime fighter, television scriptwriter. Some folks make good picture framers. Some folks make good lion tamers. Some folks make good tightrope walkers. Other folks are better talkers. Maybe you should fly a jet. Maybe you should be a vet. How about a deep sea diver? How about a beehive hiver? Would you like to be an actor? Would you like to run a tractor? Like to drive a taxi cab? Or run a big computer lab? Tennis pro, optometrist, crossing guard, podiatrist, chemist, lepidopterist, glass blower, mushroom grower. How about a fishbone boner or a roller coaster owner? Would you sooner be a ballooner or a grand piano tuner, Olympic champ, reporter of the news? It's very difficult to choose. You've got to be someone. You can't just be a doodler. You could be a sculptor or perhaps a noodler. You might be a private eye. Would you like to be a spy? Maybe you should be a Wester a jester, or a hammock tester. Maybe you should be a voice. Someday you must make a choice. Maybe you should be a voice. When you find out what a voice is, you can tell us what our choice is.